Wonderful morning to you all. This is Sheikh Abdul Kalam from 9th grade. Today I am going to tell you a story, The Kite That Never Flew. Before I begin the story, please all of you close your eyes. Let's imagine the sky is bright blue and picturing the colorful kite in your hands. You are standing in the field for the kite festival. Your heart was full of excitement and pride. Let's travel into the story. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named as Ravi, who loved flying kites more than anything else. Every year, when the sky turned into blue and the wind blew softly through the fields, children gathered in the field for the kite festival. Ravi's kite always flew high and bright, bold, beautiful, but he had a dream. He wanted to make long, the most colorful kite that would touch the clouds. He spent weeks on designing it, choosing the strongest bamboo sticks, finest paper, and long ribbons that sparkle in the sunlight. When the day of festival arrived, his heart was full of excitement and pride. As the drums beat and the sky was filled with hundreds of clouds, Ravi held his creation tightly. Everyone gathered around him were eager to see his masterpiece take flight. Ravi ran and released the thread, but the kite didn't flew. It wobbled once, twisted, and fell flat on the ground. The crowd went silent. A few boys laughed at him. Someone said it may be too long to fly. Others said it may be too heavy to fly. His dream broke into pieces like the torn pieces of his kite. Torn pieces of his kite. He cried. He went home and hid his kite in a corner. Days passed. Every time he looked at the sky, he missed the joy of flying the kites. One evening, his grandfather saw him sitting quietly and asked, Ravi, why are not you flying your kites anymore, Ravi? Ravi said, my best kite failed, grandfather. It didn't flew. Grandfather gently smiled and said, Ravi, every kite doesn't fly at the first try. It needs some little fixing. Some need a stronger wind. Those words struck Rahul's heart. He took his old kite, repaired the ears, shortened the tail, lightened the frame. In the next morning, when the wind blew softly through the fields, he tried again. This time, slowly, steadily, the kite began to rise. Higher and higher, the kite touched the clouds. A few boys who laughed at him, now they cheered and clapped. Ravi felt happy and smiled, not because of his kite flew, because he never gave up. Just like Ravi, the kite that never flew, a real incident in the history, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He faced many struggles and failures in his life. As a young boy in Rameshwaram, he loved flying the kites and watching the birds. When he launched his first rocket, it was failed. People doubted him. He never gave up. With patience, hard work, determination, belief in himself, practice. Finally, he succeeded in his life. His dreams come true. He became the missile man of India and the beloved president of India. His life reminds us failure is not the end. It is the beginning of a new lesson. So take a long breath. Slowly open your eyes. Welcome back the world of imagination. The moral of the story is don't give up. The failure is not the end. It is the beginning of a new lesson. Success doesn't come from luck. Success comes through hard work, determination, practice, belief in ourselves, etc. Make your heart strong. Don't give up. Thank you.